So here we have someone, she's got some grown out color going here. Stylist chops that hair right off. I wonder if she's just gonna like embrace her natural dark roots. Ooh, yes. Oh my goodness, such a cute pixie style. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we are going to be taking a look at some more long to short hair transformations. Here we have a beautiful shoulder length bob. Definitely giving us that old money style aesthetic. Very cute. Moving on to the next one, it looks like we have someone who wants a pixie cut here. Oh, very nice. I feel like this is perfect for like the fall season. Here we have someone with hair around mid-back length or so. The stylist is cutting that hair into a pixie. All of that hair is falling to the ground. Shaping up the nape area. Oh, wow, look at the volume here. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the amount of fullness and volume that this pixie has. She's got the swoop bangs over the eye. Such a pretty pixie. And then here we have someone getting a cut and color. Stylist put in some nice layers here. Wow, this has a lot of volume as well. Very cute. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. You also want to make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you are obsessed with hairstyles like me, you definitely want to be subscribed to the channel because that's pretty much all we do is talk about hair on this page, on this channel. So here we have someone that looks like she has a bit of a pixie haircut here. That's in between pixie and bob. Looks like she wants a pixie cut. Getting some bangs in the front. I like how the stylist has this photo here and he's just kind of showing her what he's going to do, like where he's going to cut. Because if you're like me, you're a visual person and you want to know, like, before you actually get the cut, how it might look on your face shape. I think that's pretty cool for a stylist to take the time to let you know that. So here the stylist is cutting the hair. So far, this is super cute. There is the before, there is the after. Very nice. A lot of texture. And I definitely think that the leather is giving us fall vibes with this cute little pixie style. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration for this fall season within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.